Okay, so this is the WOLFANG GA200. It's a 4K camera. I'm going to show you guys how to shoot video on this. So what we're going to do is first we got to turn the camera on. That's the on button. You have to press it and hold it. And it's going to open up to your screen. And you can see right now we're on video and we're shooting 4K 30. And to shoot video, all you have to do is press this button here, and you're going to see a red ball show up here and a countdown. There it is. See it? So now I'm just going to face it towards me. And how you doing? And if I'm good with that, I'm just going to come back. I'm going to press it again. And bam, that's it. Now if we want to watch that video, we'd hit this. And it's going to load the file, and I'm just going to click there. Now it's going to play through. So you can see me. And that's it, basically. And that's how you shoot video. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on this camera. Peace out.